What's going on, Amazon sellers? Coach CHRISPECT, the wise guy on Instagram. A couple posts back, I wrote a little bit about my story. I found out about Amazon about 5 years ago. Was listening to Smart Passive Income, the podcast by Pat Flynn. Never pursued it. Last March 2017, I was looking into social media marketing. Needed to supplement my income. My wife met some tax challenges and we had to make some extra money. I spent hours watching YouTube videos, getting inspired to do SMMA. But I came across a YouTuber talking about not doing SMA, but rather selling on Amazon FBA. After watching his videos, I felt way more compelled to do Amazon FBA. Felt it'd be more up my alley, less rejection, and really good money. So I took action, bought his course, and started learning the steps. Launched my first private label product, made $48 in May 2017. Check out how much I made last month and subscribe.